In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open all links at once in Google Sheets. If you have a spreadsheet filled with website addresses and you want to open several of them quickly, Google Sheets has a simple built-in option that can save you a lot of time. Instead of clicking each link one by one, you can select all the cells that contain the links and open them together in just a few clicks. To begin, go to your Google Sheet and locate the cells that contain the web addresses you want to visit. Once you've found them, click and drag your cursor to highlight all of those cells. Make sure you select only the cells with the links you actually want to open, because Google Sheets will use that selection for the next step. If your links are grouped together in a column or row, this part is especially quick and easy. After the cells are highlighted, right-click anywhere inside the selected area. This will open the context menu, which gives you several actions related to the cells you've chosen. Be sure to right-click inside the highlighted selection, not outside it, so the menu applies to the correct group of links. When the menu appears, move your cursor over the option called View More Cell Actions. This will expand another menu with additional choices. From there, click Open Links. Google Sheets will then open all the links from the selected cells at once. One thing to keep in mind is that your browser may open each link in a separate tab. So, if you are selecting a large number of links, you could end up with many tabs opening at the same time. For that reason, it's often a good idea to double-check your selection before using the command, especially if your sheet contains a long list of URLs. And that's all there is to it. Highlight the cells with the web addresses, right-click the selection. Go to View More Cell Actions and choose Open Links. It's a fast and convenient way to work through multiple websites directly from Google Sheets without opening them manually one at a time. If you use spreadsheets for research, tracking, or organizing online resources, this can be a very useful time saver. Thanks for watching.